Hi, welcome to the channel. If you enjoy quick guides on VW vans, camping, or DIY electronics, you're in the right place. If you find the videos helpful, don't forget to click subscribe. It really helps.
All right, folks, settling in for a nice warm night in the van. Heater's running beautifully, so I'm feeling pretty smug, but have you seen the forecast? Apparently we're getting record lows tonight. Should be interesting.
Okay, that's not good. The heater just made the weirdest noise and shut off completely. I've tried restarting it, nothing. Temperature's dropping fast. Look at this, you can actually see my breath in here.
So, this is officially miserable. I've got every layer I own on, wrapped in emergency blankets, trying to warm water for a hot bottle. It is freezing in here. Definitely the coldest night I've ever spent in the van.
Good morning. Yeah, that was a rough one. Barely slept at all. Nights like that really show you the not-so-glamorous side of van life. It's not always sunsets and cozy blankets. Sometimes it's just getting through the night.
All right, folks, take it from me. You really don't want to end up in a night like that. Always make sure your heater's in tip-top condition, and please use carbon monoxide sensors. They can literally save your life. Check out the links below for the ones we recommend.